Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Kludge keyboard. So I just got this on Amazon for about 90 Canadian dollars, which is probably around 50 US dollars. So let's just unbox it. On the inside you're greeted with the keyboard itself. Looks quite nice. Let's remove it. Then we have a mechanical keyboard user manual. Don't think I'm gonna need this. And then what's inside here? Just some some keyboard removers. And then we have, I believe it's a USB Type-C plug. Yep. Oh, USB-A to USB-C plug. Yep. So let's take the wrapping paper off the keyboard. You get this. I have mine with blue switches, although I may just change them out for probably better sounding switches. To activate it, you want to come here, you want to flip it to on. And then go around, see you got some of that RGB going right now. But let's hook it up to the computer and see how it works. So in conclusion, I think it's okay, yeah. We've got it connected up to the computer, as you can see. For me, I don't really like the blue switches. I think it could have been better. Like, it's not quite nice to sound. I might actually switch them out with brown switches, but in terms of a budget keyboard, mechanical keyboard, it does the job well. It's very ergonomic and it feels good. So I'd recommend this keyboard, the Kludge Keyboard RK61, for anyone who's looking for a budget mechanical keyboard. Thank you for watching this video.